Hello everyone. So we got here a common issue with the Creality Ender V2, or maybe other models as well, with the noisy hot end pump. Okay. As you can see, it starts acting already, more or less. So we got some quick solution here to fix this. It's Amazon solder-free low voltage quick connect. Here you go, the part numbers. That's how it looks. We'll try to use that to fix the issue quick and easy. Just wiggle a little bit here. There's some lock mechanism and it's out. So that's the fan we're gonna change. Hot end fan. Some dust on it. We'll clean it. We'll open this. We'll snap this wire hold and see what we can do. It's very interesting that original has a Creality logo on it. That's what we purchased, and that was installed on a unit. Doesn't say it's Creality over here, so I hope this one might work better and last longer. So we're gonna cut it, the wire, because we don't need it that long, maybe that far, just to have some extra length, and we'll adjust accordingly. Okay, so now fan installed, only 2 screws, and I got plenty of length to adjust if we need after the fact, after the installation. Okay, now we got cover back, have the wire only to connect together. Let's do it. Okay, just had some issues here, so make sure this locked, pushed all the way in, because I guess original wire what comes with the unit was a little bit thicker than the one on the machine, so it's needed a little extra force for me to push that lock in to engage the wire. So now it seems like it works all fine. As you can see, no noise anymore, nice and smooth. Fan works, everything is fine. Mission accomplished.